horizon, like a warning beacon, praying we go home. Seek comfort in the mundane and everyday. Tonight is not the night. You are not wanted here, so why bother? You will not enjoy yourself when something goes wrong, like it always does. It always does. It always does. So it does. The what ifs keep you at bay. Avoid this storm at all costs. Protect yourself. Stay away. But what if I said, so what? So what it might rain. There may be thunder and lightning too. You might not sleep, may stay up till the crack of dawn, till the morning swimmers take their dip, the church bells ring and the seagulls sing. You might learn that storms are not so bad, that sometimes there is lightning, but no rain. A storm is still on the horizon, but now it's the most perfect storm you've ever seen. It no longer even seems a storm, but a grand spectacle of life, of nature, of beauty, of everything you have ever wanted. Storms are always on the horizon, but now it's time to say, so what?